sisigaw? Ano? Quezon City. Quezon. Ha?
Quezon City!
Quezon! Oh, Quezon!
Tara.
The best.
Good morning, Mr. Rino Solberg of Better Globe. Thanks for supporting us. This is an honor to have sponsors like you. This is awesome. And to the Mystica Charity Foundation, thank you very much.
Maraming salamat po sa Better Globe, lalo na kay Mr. Rino Solberg, saka sa Mystica Charity Foundation. Hello!
Thank you po kay Sir Rino Solberg, saka sa Mystica Charity Foundation. Thank you po sa pag-support sa amin.
Good morning. Thanks for the Better Globe, especially to Mr. Rino Solberg. Thanks for supporting us, and especially the Mystica Charity Foundation. Thank you.
Good morning. Thank you to Mr. Rino Solberg for supporting us, sponsoring us, and then to the Mystica Charity Foundation. Sana po kayo magsawang tulungan kami. Salamat po.
Maraming salamat po sa Better Globe, Sir Rino Solberg, and sa Mystica Charity Foundation. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sana po sa ulitin, tutulungan niyo ulit po kami.
Good morning, Sir Rino Solberg. Sir, thanks for the supporting us to the event that we play yesterday, Coach. Sir, we are the champion. Nagpapasalamat din po ako sa Mystica Charity Foundation for supporting us and give us the chance to play here in Ilocos. Sir, salamat po sa lahat. God bless po and more blessings to come. Sir, sana po pagdating ng araw ulit na mag-solicit po kami sa inyo, bibigyan nyo pa rin po kami at susuportahan nyo po rin kami. Thanks sa Better Globe, kay Sir Rino Solberg, and to Mystica Charity Foundation.
Good morning po. Thank you for supporting FESU team to going Lawag City. Thank you for Better Globe and Ronnie Solberg. And thank you sa Mystica Charity Foundation.
Good morning, sir. Salamat po sa suporta na binigay sa amin and sa Better Globe for the sponsors and the Mystica Charity Foundation. Thank you, sir.
We would like to thank our sponsors, Better Globe, Marketing Philippines and Asia. We would also like to thank Mystica Charity Foundation for always supporting our team, the FESU team of Tuguegarao City. Especially to Mr. Rino Solberg for the love and support for our team. We are the champion in this league. We would like to thank guys, FESU team. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Better Globe!